Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the FastAPI. Today we are going to learn about the lifespan events. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So the lifespan events in FastAPI refer to the events that occur during the startup and the shutdown. Important thing is startup and the shutdown of an application. So these events are useful for the task like initialization of resources like the database connections or the cleaning up before the application shutdowns. So in that case, we have to use like whenever we have the database connection, so you can call this and database function will call up and it will check whether the connection is done or not. I will do that one. So database connection part on the lifespan events. Key features. What are the key features? Startup events executed when the fast API application starts. Common use cases: establishing database connections, loading configuration settings, or initializing background tasks. In that case, you can use shutdown events like executed when the fast API application is shutting down. Common use cases: closing database connections, stopping background tasks, or releasing other resources. Okay, so let's take a look of the example. So this is simple example that we have. Okay, so let's copy this and use this example. I think I have the. Okay, so I'm going to create a new file, test.py, and I'm going to paste this code over there. Something issue, but what? Here. Okay, done. So let's try to run it. So let's open the terminal. Okay, so where we have, this is one that we don't have the main, we have the test. Okay, test app reload and enter. So when I try to run this, first start server process waiting for the application to start up. So application, here you can see that application startup initialize resources. So this is when the application starts. Okay, application startups complete, right? So this is called, so whenever you want to do the database connection or something else, you can do over here, right? And the what else, the shutdown application, then there is shutdown. When I do the application shutdown, what will do, here you can see shutting down, waiting for the application shutting down, application shutdown, cleaning up the resources. So it will go over here, application shutdown, cleanup process, right? So this is how it will work. So let's do the one database connection, right? So I have already the database connection over here, so I will use the database, this one, from database in the this one, and I'm going to call this function. Okay, so here I'm going to call this one, right? So let's have a look on the startup event. I'm going to do the connection part. Okay, so here we go with this one. So here you can see, if I just open it up, and here you can see select the database, everything is like you can see that select SQL mode, everything is like database connection is done, SQL alchemy. Okay, so I have done in the main part. When the application startup, okay, application startup initialize resources. When I just control C, here you can see that application shut down, cleaning up the process. Okay, so this is how you can do that and use of the lifespan events into your fast API. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.